What do we got today, sir?
The 2023 GR86. This one has a turbo on it, finally. It's on pump gas right now. It's got 1050X injectors, just like the Vortec ones. Other than that, it's an AVO turbo kit. So we'll see how it does. Should be pretty interesting. It's got an 8-pound spring in the wastegate, so that's what we're going to start with. Well, that was a complete run. 265 horsepower on 6.8 peak pounds of boost. So I guess it's not an 8-pound spring. We'll keep going. $283, $262. Not bad for still 6 pounds of boost.
What'd you just hit? Did I miss to record?
Exactly 300.
How much torque?
Had to miss it. 267, 268, same thing.
Bruh.
It was just a back-to-back run. I just wanted to make sure it was consistent. All right, here we go. This is gonna be our first ethanol run. We got 391 on 6 pounds of boost on the turbo setup, and I tried to put a small amount of ethanol in there, but I guess the tank was a lot emptier than that says, because we're at E70 right now. So we'll scale it back down, but we're gonna do a run right now at E70, same boost. We'll see how it goes. Alrighty. 337, not bad. Not changing the boost at all actually, and not adding too much timing just yet because it's the first run, but it's pretty good. Stick around. Alright, so fuel oil adjustments made. We made 341, 290 foot-pounds of torque. I'm just gonna give it another run here and see how she does. Still 6 pounds of boost, I believe, maybe 6.5. Haven't touched this wastegate spring. So 339, 292. Pretty consistent. Probably getting a little warm there. And that is, yeah, 6.6 peak boost.
literally like the hatch. That's insane. With ecutek? That's... And it has different maps, I'm guessing, too?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow, dude. Damn. Damn, if you guys can hear that, man. Woo! She is spicy, man. Second gear. Whoa, dude, this thing feels like a 500 horsepower car.
Yeah, it's 340.
Damn. Full E85 or flex fuel or?
66% ethanol.
That's crazy. Oh my god. Bro. Stock clutch?
Yeah.
Damn. That is insane, dude. Wow.
And other than that, I mean, it drives pretty nice. Well, you're not really gonna see much, but hopefully you'll hear it.